If you have a boat and it's not loud enough, then stick around for this video. We'll be taking a look at Kicker's KMXL694. These are 6x9 two-way marine speakers with horn tweeters. So if you need your boat to be loud and clear, then this video is for you. So don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breakers Stereo and Performance. Thanks for joining us and welcome to the channel that reviews all the best in vehicle audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us where stock doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, boating season is just around the corner, and those of you that need more sound from the speakers mounted on the inside of the boat, then these might be a match for your needs. Now, if you have wake tower speakers, those are great for the person wakeboarding behind the boat or anyone outside of the boat. But you miss a lot of the sound if you're actually inside of the boat. Now, normally speakers within those tower pods have horn tweeters because they play above wind, water, and engine noise. So Kicker has taken the same approach by making speakers with horn tweeters that will mount on the inside of the boat, cutting through all the noise you have to fight when you're speeding down the water. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over all the specs, we'll unbox, and then we'll actually take these out to a boat and install them to see how they perform. Okay, let's first talk about specs. These are, of course, marine grade and IP66 rated and can take dust and water, both jet and splashing. These have Kicker's proprietary high-frequency horn design, which was developed and engineered by the research and development team over at Kicker. And the motor structure is made of lightweight neodymium magnets, and you have a treated cone. And these are relatively shallow with the mounting depth only 3 3/8. These also have an integrated multicolor LED light that shines nice and bright on the cone. Now, you will need Kicker's LED control module, model number 41KMLC, or any other LED control module in order for those to work. And the power handling is 150 watts RMS and 300 watts peak. The frequency response is 70 Hertz up to 20,000 Hertz. And the sensitivity is 92 dB, and these are 4-ohm speakers. They do come with a 3-year warranty, and per Kicker's website, they recommend using a high-pass crossover set to 80 Hertz with a 12 dB slope per octave. Okay, let's unbox. All right, so you have the manual. They do give you a Kicker sticker there. Okay, they give you both a gray and a white grill. Okay, so you can choose which color you like. Let's take a look at the speaker. So these are really heavy, so nice construction. We have a double rib surround here, and of course our horn tweeter. Now, this does have a screen over the top of the tweeter, which I like. So if you have water that splashes in that direction, it's not gonna get into the coil of the tweeter. All right, on the back, we have our plug. This has our speaker wire here for both the tweeter and the mid, which are separate. And it does come with an outboard crossover that's shrink wrapped. And then you do have your RGB cables here as well. Okay, a couple of things to note. You do have this Aquamint gasket around the outside of it. This thing is made very well, as it should be, because the retail price currently is $649 for the pair. Now, these are part of Kicker's KMXL line, which also has 6.5s that are priced the same at $649. And they also make this an 8-inch configuration, and that comes in at $869. Okay, so I'm eager to see what a pair of $650 6x9 sound like. So let's go ahead and hit the bay. Okay, so let's go ahead and hear what these things sound like. Now, we got them installed underneath right about foot level or so, and we're running off the power base. This is the XMA 4250 IR, and that's 125 watts times 4. We're a little underpowered, but we're gonna still be okay. Okay, so let's check these out. Holy shit, these things are super loud. All right, so that's louder than I actually expected it to be. My ears are gonna be ringing for the next 3 days. All right, I'm definitely loving these speakers. 650 bucks, worth it for sure. If I had a boat, I would definitely, without a doubt in my mind, buy a bunch of these, put in it. If you're interested in these, we'll leave links in the description below. It'll take you directly to the product page. All right, I think that's gonna do it. If I had to give these a rating, it would definitely be 5-star. I can see how these would definitely cut through the noise, the water, the engine, the wind, as you're on the lake, enjoying the water, enjoying some brews, enjoying some good company. Definitely recommend these speakers. Okay, that's it. I'm Josh from Breaker Stereo Performance. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.